Hi, I'm Chris Siegel, Vice President of Product Development, and I'm here with Brian Brandis, our Senior Vice President of Product Development. And we've got many different categories of downlights in our product line. This particular product line is our high output architectural downlight.
What makes this really unique is the fact that you have a very small aperture, about 3.5-inch opening with 2,000 lumens. So on average, that's more than twice what our standard downlights of that size is producing today. So you're talking about 5 color temperatures from 2700 up to 5000 K, 3 wattages, and on top of that, we have a dual dimming feature. What that means is that you can dim on a traditional triac dimmer, which is what you see in most residential applications, but we also have 0 to 10 volt dimming. So in commercial applications where they're using lighting control systems, these can actually tie into those systems and be controlled by the 0 to 10 volt leads.
And you mentioned before about the color temperature. So this is where on the remote driver, you've got the color temperature and the wattage selection right on the driver itself. So you can make the selections before you do the installation.
Before and after, if anybody later on decides they want to make a change, it's very easy to remove the trim from the ceiling. And what's unique about this new junction box is because we have all these features and we wanted to have a wiring compartment that had enough room to do feed-through wiring, we made one long unit. But what's really unique about it is the ability for the junction box and the driver to fold to be able to go into a ceiling opening the size of the trim. So once you get it back up through the hole, we bring it together, snaps back in.
So what about the different types that we have available on this?
You have a round available in black, white, or brushed nickel, and we have a square trim also available in the same 3 finishes.
And then give us a little bit of a demonstration here as far as the connection points and the installation.
Yeah, the whole concept with a remote driver downlight is to be able to rough in all the electrical work into the ceiling. So when construction's taking place, they'll put a framing kit into the ceiling, they'll wire into this, mount this in the ceiling, and this wire will hang out of the ceiling. This wire is also unique in the fact, because we have dual dimming, there's actually 3 contacts on it. So all the connections are done through this connector, which has the 3 pins that plug into the female there, and then you have a locking cap that slides over it and threads onto the other coupling and locks everything in place. So the only wiring is in the junction box. Everything else is done by quick connectors on the fixture.
Thanks a lot, Brian. That was a very good review of this high output architectural downlight series. For this category and all of the other products in our downlight line, please visit us at SATCO.com.